Abaturo mu kampu ya Muhocho mu town kanso ya Muhocha omuri district ya Kasese bakija kutebwa umwanya ugu umwaka gw'2022 ubwo mugera gwa Nyamwamba guboga gukacecereza enjo zabo omucyaro cha Kanyegeya omuri division ya Nyamwamba omuri Kasese municipality.
Teganisibwa enjura negwa netaho majugitu akubata primizi batuhire zikuzire zigwire
ebyona bagambirwa ubu aba Lions Club ya Kasese ekwatanise na Lions Club of Shema Speciality babire bahereza y'ubuhwezi bw'emyenda hamwe na nenkito habatura ba.
We call on government to support them because we as Lions we don't think we can give more than what we are giving today. So we call on media, make it public, let people know that we have Ugandans here who need support.
Is to help the needy and the people in the IDP camp being needy. We thought of doing that service because we are there to care, to share and to love.
Inekyo kyatulagira okukola ffe tutandike naye ffe tetulina buzibu bwonna era ettaka bibiri nsaba busabi abantu babiri bagumiikiriza nga bwe babadde bagenda gavumenti kubajjawo.
Aba bahendere bari kutongoza project yo kutunga enjoki eyibari kugira ngo bazagumana bihamu sente ezo kuhwera abantu abari kubana benda obuhwezi. Omugandi district ya Ntungamo netebekanisa zo kwija kukora embarira ya billion 8 omwaka gw'ebyesente gw'2025 2026.
We need a disciplinary action against any officer
Chairman w'entebe ya katano na bakansara ababiri bari mu rukiko rwo kutebekanisiza embarira ya district ab'umwaka gw'ebyesente ogw'2025-2026 okubira mu kishenge cya kansa ya district ayirukiro butashemererwa na district plan waru kugira ngo azingamize emirimo emwe.
Before you there is a document mureka tabarane kore ebintu bikurugamo edi document ejiyona who is the author, who owns it nyencha kareko kuba no janzurra kansaro ndizo wargarubanda riyarateka ngo who was in charge of this document.
Ekinyenda kukigamba tuine district plan kandi unkureba ngo akuchore nusha emirimo yenda kumukiza amani noreba mu budget conference erizoba epapura byabura norakana nebya leta nepapura mu bya bitari hamutindo bitine buri kimwe cyose.
Parana hona nabwe natungwa kakumu okuba yahandikire mukuru wa ministry z'ebyanga ngo ayemereze kugaba imirimo y'abakozi a district ekiretire district yagaruza MP ha biliyoni 1,300,000 o ministry ahabwa umwaka gw'ebyesente guhwire ogw'2023-2024.
Tukatu tuzana no ministry kutagentuzo ministry tukuza kuronda clearance of ministry is the same person David Byarhanga wenyine uri district plan ari kuhandikira permanent secretary ari kugira ngo bemereze ebitwayo ntuzakora byone bya recruitment.
Teka ngo sente indicative planning figures ninga utupimera nitwihera aha budget eyite yahwire iyo mwako guturumu kandi eyiturukubarira aha billions 9 so nzoba bireno baja tentative ngo tubene ho turi indicative planning figures zitu
ndufuna ahamizo kwarukuza kweta Byarhanga ayeshoboreho ekirukureta nashanyara z'imirimo ya district kandi bari kumutungana kakumu
cyabakiriki kugira ngo yakereza buri umwe kandi atakwasa ku explaining iki yakora ki cyamuretera nakererwa kureta items zizanzitengwa activity yisime kube itandikire itayini
nka planning unit yawe tatebekaneze ibintu kugenda mu mesho nabyo n'ibiturione tushika ibani fandagara n'ibiti bikagenda mu mesho.
Embarira y'umwaka gw'ebyesente ogw'2025-2026 neija kukora munonga hangoto ebyo burambuzi amashomero ebyamagara na n'ebyobwegyese hamwe na n'ebindi bingi.
Kanyamahane